The ball is tipped and the clock is ticking. Set to be demolished at the end of the season, the Frank Erwin Center is home to one more year of Longhorn basketball. Jody Conrad coached the women in their first ever game here. Now she's a full-time fan.
It was rocking and it was exciting, and the energy in the building was incredible.
With capacity restrictions lifted and a new pair of coaches at the helm, interest in Texas basketball is soaring. The men's team announced a record in season ticket sales, while the women nearly scored the most points in program history Tuesday.
I was really proud of them tonight. I thought they looked relaxed. I thought they were into what we were trying to do. They caught us tonight, on a night where we were ready to roll, and had worked hard on that.
Today, most basketball arenas are shared by both men's and women's teams. But that wasn't typical back in 1977 when the Frank Erwin Center first opened.
There were locker rooms, obviously, but they weren't meant for the women and the reason I know that is because they had urinals in them.
But after 45 years and quite a few wins, Conrad says this building has helped grow the women's game nationwide.
It's about the university and the community, how they embraced women's athletics. And it was a trendsetter. There were things that happened in Austin, Texas with women's basketball that other programs across the country tried to emulate.
From the Frank Erwin Center, reporting Texas TV.